I'm Ken, and this is just gonna be a real short video. I really didn't have any intention on doing this today, but we launched our channel last night. Okay, here we go. Publishing the first video, launching. And wow, that was actually pretty fast. Here it is. Woohoo! I'm doing this because I love cars and I want to share my passion with you guys here. And I'm hoping you guys will share your passion back with me in the form of showing me, you know, the cars that you work on, the cars that you love, the cars that you're proud of. So, you know, I posted my video last night, my first video, and went to bed and woke up like a few hours later. Since it was New Year's Eve, it was kind of late. And I had like over 260 views on there already, which to me, you know, being the first time that I'm doing this, I thought, wow, that's awesome. And I think I already have like 40 subscribers already too. I don't know if that's good or not in the grand scheme of YouTube here. I know there's guys with literally millions of views and subscribers like that, but nowhere near that level. I know that. But I'm very touched, and I'm very excited about this project, and I had to come and say thank you to all of you who are supporting me now. I didn't expect it, so this is great. Thank you so much. As a result of this, oh, I have a little visitor here in the studio. Hi, puppy. This is my neighbor's dog that just came in here. Hi, baby. You want to come here? You want to come here? Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Hi. If I could get her, I'd pick her up here for you. Come here, baby. You want to come say hi? I didn't expect that. Hey, baby. Okay, so I returned my neighbor's dog back to them. Unexpected visitor there. So going back, what I want to do now as a result of all of the response from you all out there. I mean, literally I had over 24 emails and PMs saying, hey, this looks like a great idea. I've got a really cool car. How can I, you know, get involved? Now, since I'm located here in Florida and really don't have the financial means or the resources to be traveling around the country, around the world, like some of these other big time YouTubers there, what we're going to do now is, if you're not in your Florida area, I'm going to create a segment, basically viewers rides. And this is where you, the viewer, can send me your cars. I know this was done way back in the day. I'm trying to remember. I don't know if it was Motor Trend or one of the older shows. I know used to do something similar to that, where viewers would write in, they would mail in their photos, whatever like that, and then they'd show them on the show. Well, I want to do something very similar to that. So what I'm going to ask from you folks, if you'd like to get involved, if you've got a unique car, if you've got like a super clean whatever it is, and you know, a lot of people are saying, hey, that's a cool car. What I want you to do is go ahead and send me a good, clear photo of it. Make a little bit of an effort. Let's put a little bit of effort into the photo here, and make sure it's a good, sharp, clean photo, good lighting, nothing at night where you can't see any details of the car, or super blurry. You know, don't use your 10-year-old iPhone 1 to take the picture here. Try to get a decent picture of your car here. Also, along with the photos, and just do a couple photos, you know, from the front, if you want to do a rear one, side, something like that. Also, include in your email, obviously your name, where you're from, maybe what you do for a living, and also importantly, how you found this car. How did you come upon this car? Now keep it brief, because we're gonna have a lot to go through here, but just a real brief bio of yourself and how you found your car there. I'm not sure when I'm gonna start doing this segment, but I was holding this, I washed my hands after handling the dog, and I've been holding this paper towel the whole time here, so. Like I said, this was not planned at all. But, so send that in an email. I'll try and pop it in somewhere on the screen here, but rareblendcars@gmail.com. Let me see what you've got there. And hopefully in the coming weeks, I'll be able to incorporate either maybe a show exclusively to your vehicles, or do it as a segment to one of my other episodes that I'll be recording here. I've got so much editing to do. I mean, I have like this utmost renewed respect for these guys on YouTube and what's involved, because it is a lot of planning, it's a lot of filming, and then the editing part does take a long time. So yeah, don't fool yourself and think that these guys just record something in 5 seconds and pop it up online. It's not easy at all. But again, this is, you know, a passion of mine. I'm so excited about this project. I'm so excited that you guys are excited about this project. And thank you so much for your support. Like I said, I mean, I don't know if 260 views is great for someone who has no YouTube cred whatsoever for my very first video. But I'm very excited about it regardless. And I can't wait to see your guys' rides. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Drive safe.